So I got this tattoo kit the other day, but there are two problems. One, I recorded an unboxing video, but my top camera was too blurry, so it's already opened up. And two, I can't draw. I'm horrible at drawing, which means I would be a very bad tattoo artist.
1, 2, 3.
But I'm no stranger to bad tattoos. I have tattoos all over my body, including a toilet with a piece of corn in it that says Yarg. I lost a bet to a tattoo artist from Club Tattoo, which is actually a shop owned by Chester from Lincoln Park. And by the way, you never want to lose a bet to a tattoo artist. It was either a toilet with corn or a fetus with tampons around it, and that's a true story. So I opted for the toilet with corn in it. So let's open this up and see what it comes with, and maybe after that I'll give myself a very horrible tattoo, like a fetus with tampons around it. I'm joking. Just like a dot. I'm too scared to do this. We have different colored inks. We have caps here. We have tape. We have these plastic things. We have gloves. We have O-rings. And this is called the Neebol F5 wireless tattoo pen machine. You can get it in silver, black, pink, or red. Also in here we have some black ink, which I already opened up. And I got it everywhere, by the way. Some surgical looking napkins here. And tattoo practice skin. Hey, I can actually use this to put a tattoo on. Also this, please remember to charge if it has not been used for 15 days. Otherwise, the battery will not be activated. Inside this box, we have green soap. I've seen green soap before. It usually has like a mermaid on it, but I can't say I've personally used it before. We also have two other boxes here. And instruction. This is where all the black ink went. If you see a lion in this picture, you are a genius. But if you see two birds kissing, uh-oh, you might be in trouble. Inside this box, we have 20 cartridges. We have ones with thick looking needles and some thin ones. I'm kind of scared of thin ones, to be honest. I almost passed out one time when getting a tattoo with thin needles before. And inside this box, we have the wireless tattoo pen itself. And it's in red. Here it is. We also have a USB-C cable to charge it, which we should do before we use it. Ink's getting everywhere. Oh no. I didn't mean to tattoo my desk. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think we're good. This is where you can charge the wireless tattoo pen. And let's peel off the sticker. There we go. I got it in a nice metallic red color. I like how it looks. And let's move everything out of the way and load up a cartridge. There's more black ink right here. It comes with gloves right here, blue gloves. So let's take them out and put them on. That way I can feel like a real tattoo artist. Beautiful. We're heading to surgery. This won't get off my hand though. So let's put on a cartridge. Kind of works like a drill bit. You stick it in and spin it. There we go. So let's see if we have enough power to turn it on. And we do. It's currently vibrating right now. It's scary. I'm not going to give myself a tattoo with this. I'm too scared. But I will tattoo this practice skin. We're going to need to put some ink in it. The website does have detailed instructions. 3 easy steps to put it on. And then it's in a different language. Okay. The one thing it doesn't say is how to put the ink in. So it does come with a lot of different colors. You have all these colors here, and then there's black. All right, let's try to figure this out. You're in my way. Let's see. Is this how you do it? Because there is a hole in the cartridge here. Maybe that's where you put the ink. Uh-oh, I'm getting the ink everywhere. And the ink is going in quite easily. I'm just going to put a little bit in right there. Let's wipe this off or just flip it over. Ink's hard to clean, man. Now let's turn it on. I can see all the ink going to the bottom of the cartridge. Maybe I put in too much. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. I don't know. But now it's time to tattoo. Ah, ha, ha, ha. I don't think that's how you do it. I don't know if that's how you do it, but I can make it say hi and go like this. We have black lines. I think we can also speed it up here. Let's go to full speed mode, baby. And there we go. It says 12. And this is as fast as it can go, and it's scary. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. No, I won't do it. But we're getting some nice lines here. Look at this. Let's make a heart. There we go. That's my heart. So yeah, it looks good. Maybe I put too much ink inside of it because, as I said, there really are no instructions on how to put the ink in it. It shows you how to put the cartridge on, but nothing about the ink. Let's try a heart again. I'm not good at this. I don't know how skin works, and I'm getting ink everywhere once again. And just like that, you can take the cartridge out. Let's try one of these big red boys. Do you go like this? Is that how it works? No? I don't think so. I think that will just get the tattoo pen dirty. I think maybe you just drop the ink in like this and hope for the best. You don't want to overfill it either. And then you connect it like a drill bit. So this one's thicker. Look at this. That's scary. I don't want that touching my skin. Ooh, very scary. What's the lowest speed we've got here, champ? The lowest speed is 5. It goes from 5 to 12. And this is actually very slow and even scarier. I'm doing it, guys. I'm a tattoo artist. So yeah, if you want a wireless tattoo pen that you can mess around with and pretty much figure out for yourself, check out the Neebol F5 wireless tattoo machine. It claims to have a sleek and stylish design, advanced LED display. It's wireless and portable and user-friendly, designed with simplicity in mind. I mean, I just don't know how to fill out the cartridges. There are no instructions anywhere about it, but it does have a picture showing this cartridge full of ink. So maybe that's really all you have to do. That. And then just like any tattoo artist, you wipe it away. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. I'm opening up my own tattoo shop soon. If you want to start your own tattoo journey and mess around with a wireless tattoo gun or pen, I will leave a link to the Neebol F5 wireless tattoo machine in the description. Maybe once I get the nerve, I will tattoo myself. It's been a long time. I need to give myself some touch-ups. It's been over a decade, but my tattoo artist is in prison right now. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Smash like and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.